In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in AOL Mail. If unwanted messages keep cluttering your inbox, blocking the sender is a simple way to keep your mailbox clean. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in AOL Mail to stop messages from a specific address. Start by opening your web browser and searching for AOL Mail. This is the fastest way to get there if you don't have it bookmarked. When the results appear, click the official AOL Mail link. Look for the trusted AOL domain so you know you're on the real site before you sign in. Once the page loads, head to the upper right corner and select Login or Join. Sign in to your account as you normally would. You may be asked to verify your identity if you have extra security enabled. Take your time here and make sure you're signing into the correct account where you want the block to apply. After you're in your inbox, go to the upper right corner again and click the Settings gear icon. If you see Options instead, click that. From the menu, choose More Settings. This opens the full settings page, which is where the blocking tools live. If you only see a small panel, look for the link that says More Settings to expand into the full view. On the left sidebar, select Security and Privacy. This section controls how AOL handles senders and helps you manage who can reach your inbox. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the sidebar. It's easy to miss on smaller screens. Find the Blocked Addresses area and click Add. This tells AOL you want to create a new block rule. Blocking means emails from that exact address will be kept out of your inbox, typically sent directly to spam or otherwise prevented from showing up, depending on AOL's current policy. In the field labeled Add an email address to block, type the email address you no longer want to hear from. Be precise here. Blocking is based on an exact match, so double-check spelling and make sure you're entering the correct address. If you copied it from a message, paste it in to avoid typos. When you're done, scroll to the bottom and click Save. Look for a brief confirmation or the new address appearing in your blocked list. If you don't see a Save button, scroll a bit more. On some screens, it sits just below the visible area. That's it. You searched for AOL Mail, signed in, opened Settings, went to More Settings, chose Security and Privacy, added the address under Blocked Addresses, and saved your changes. Future emails from that sender will no longer land in your inbox.